Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Toyota RAV4 XLE, stock number 18G523A. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Michelin tire. Inside you have a power sunroof, and there is a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger RAV4. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a backup camera here. There is a power lift gate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk opened and closed. As you can see, it is very clean inside. Your second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Toyota today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. Taking a step inside, on the left of the steering wheel you have audio controls. On the right hand side you have some information buttons. There is cruise control here. You do have a push button start. There's a great touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that you have dual climate controls. There is a USB port and an auxiliary port. You can see you have controls here for your eco and sport modes. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this RAV4 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.